Are you hungry or too tired to make the same old food? Then this recipe is for you. Delicious, crispy wheat flour chilla. Ready in just 10 minutes. Made from scratch. This part, no kneading at all. Take a bowl and add crushed ajwain, sesame seeds, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, Tikhalal, Kashmiri red chilli powder, and salt. Now add ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, and finally chopped onions. Mix everything together. Add 1 cup gram flour and 2 cups wheat flour. Mix well and gradually add water. For 3 cups of flour, I use almost 4 cups of water. The quantity can vary depending on the flour you use. Here in the UAE, I use ready-made wheat flour, so adjust the water according to your flour. The batter should not be smooth, not too runny, and not too thick. Heat a pan and add a little oil. Once hot, sprinkle some white sesame seeds and pour a ladful of batter. Spread it into a thin layer and sprinkle some more sesame seeds on top. Cook on a low flame and cover with a lid. Once the top looks dry, drizzle a little oil, flip it and cook until both sides are golden, crispy and delicious. After second flip, keep your flame medium to high. This is one of my kids' favorite recipes. It's perfect for breakfast, evening snacks or even school tiffins. Next time you are hungry and don't want to make the same old food, try this 10 minutes crispy chilla.